hello team. My name is Sean from Melbourne Muscular Therapies. We've got Ninja here. Say hi, Ninja.
Hello.
Nice. So Ninja's got a bit of soreness in his shoulders, upper traps kind of area. Do you want to explain a little bit about that?
We've been doing some different exercises in this current cycle. We lift on Monday nights and we've been doing farmers walks and some isometric holds of heavy weights. So feeling it through my upper traps in a really good way. It feels like it's healing and kind of doing these little micro tears and really kind of lengthening this out. But there is a bit of soreness in there as well. And I think a bit of a treatment would help the healing and the function out and get me ready for next week.
Yeah, awesome. And you've come to the right guy.
You have. You're the man.
I'm the man.
You're the man.
All right, let's do this. So we're going to start with a bit of a broader kind of stroke, just to say hello to Ninja, say hello to the body. Starting nice and light and then slowly kind of digging in deeper and deeper. We want to take some pressure off, make sure Ninja's comfortable as well, and we'll slowly keep getting deeper and deeper into the stuff that really counts.
Feels good, man.
Feels good?
Yeah, confident. Let's start.
Nice. So as we feel like we're getting deeper and he's letting us in deeper and deeper into his body, we'll start to move up towards the traps and along the spine. See if we can find any little spots to flush out. But this opening stroke is really good just to start the process.
Yeah. Check in, hey?
Yeah, check in.
Tune in.
How's it feeling?
Yeah, good, man. It's starting to get a little bit more intense in there, but you've kind of gone at a good level.
Yeah.
That I can really receive and relax into, and yeah, it's good.
Awesome. Now, depending on the person, but Ninja can probably take a little bit, so we might want to use a bit of reinforced strength. Takes the pressure off me as a practitioner, but gives the client a little bit more juice to dig deeper.
Yeah. In there.
Bit in there?
Can feel that, yeah.
Nice. So we want to kind of keep close to this spine, try and flush out some shit that's in there. Help create a bit of blood flow so we're not as stagnant.
That's it.
Feeling good, Ninj?
Yeah, you're doing really well, mate. It's good.
Nice. You're going to pay me at the end of this?
I am.
Nice.
I'll give you a tip.
Nice.
Be good to your mum. You got any jokes for us, Shawnee, or what?
Yeah, I have actually.
Yeah, all right, good.
So we'll just come out of that. So, and I'll tell this one to you, Ninja.
All right.
As if no one else is listening.
All right.
So, there was 5 ants.
5 ants, okay.
5 ants.
5.
And those 5 ants were moving into a house.
Yes.
With another 5 ants.
Yes.
So they became 10 ants. You like that one?
Yes, man. That's good.
So instead of $60, that'll be $70 today,
Yeah,
mate.
$10 per laugh.
Yep.
Right.
But how good's that price? $60, 60 minutes.
I know. It won't be for long, mate. You're bloody good.
Long.
Get in while the price is low. Secure your spot. You might be a client for life.
Yep.
Jokes like that.
Massage and jokes.
Yeah, well, that's a good recipe, I reckon, for success.
Nice. So we've got an elbow in here. Usually, allows you to put a bit more strength into it. And less pressure for the practitioner as well. Makes it easy for me.
Yeah, it's a good tool.
It is a good tool. And I'm trying to, keep my elbow as close to that spine again. Trying to flush away Bit of the build up in there. How we feeling, Ninj?
Yeah, good man.
Nice.
Yeah, handling it well. Feels good to get it worked, actually.
Nice. All right, so we'll come out of there, nice and slow. So we're going to do some trigger point stuff with the thumbs. Now, good thing about thumbs is we can get into close little tight little areas, little nooks and crannies.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start on this side. And we're just going to sink in again. We're going to let, oh, the muscle just twitched there, Ninja, saying hello.
Yeah.
So we're waking up some muscles that might not have seen daylight for a while. But again, just, yeah, kind of going deeper and deeper, trying to encourage Ninja to relax and just keep breathing, letting it all go. And you'll find that eventually underneath the thumb, the pressure will kind of melt away, the muscles will kind of relax.
Whoa.
Good?
Yeah. You're nailing it, mate.
Nice.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's good to see I mean, it's hard to get on camera, but a few of the muscles around Ninja are spasming as well, so it's just kind of waking everything up, and those other muscles are like, oh shit, I'm next.
It knows.
Yeah, it knows. I'm coming for you.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good. It's a good spot there, man.
Nice.
It's,
Good trigger point.
Yeah. Getting intense, the more you're getting into it. And
Yeah. Out of 10, where are we at?
I'm still fairly comfortable, like at 5 or 6, but there's sort of like this, I'm waiting for something to come up. I kind of can sense it.
Yeah.
I feel like it's going to refer, but because you go on such a slow pace, like I can actually, it doesn't eventuate in a way. It doesn't kind of get to that real crescendo that I'm expecting.
Yeah.
So you're kind of doing it well.
Yeah, perfect.
It's an art.
Nice.
That I think you're starting to really, nail that spot now.
Yeah.
It's sort of bothering me.
Let it go, Ninja. Let all your troubles go.
I know, mate. I know.
Sink into the ground. Get rid of that shit. Nice.
Breathe out.
Whee.
There we go. That was the one that was
Nice.
good feel.
All right. Well, that's pretty much it for today. How do you feel, Ninj?
I feel like a new man.
A new man. You
Where
look
am I
like
going
a
to
new
find
man.
one this time of day, though?
Come see me. Come see me. $60. 60 minutes. It's too easy. It's quick.
Yeah.
It's professional.
Yeah.
I've been taught very well by the big dog over here. But yeah, come see me. Melbourne Muscular Therapies in Richmond.
Yeah. Get it done.
Done.